Hey everybody, it's Bryan, and you are listening to the Course Building Secrets podcast. Whether you're a coach or a CEO, the success of your team and clients is based on your ability to deliver a consistent experience and guide them on the fastest path to results. This podcast will give you practical, real-life tips that you can use today to build your online experiences that get results and create raving fans. Why? So you can monetize your expertise and serve more people without adding more time or team to your business. If you're looking to uncover your $1 million framework, package it, and use it to scale, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. Hey everybody, welcome to today's episode of the podcast. I am thrilled that you're here. In this episode, I want to talk about AI and creating content. So yesterday I had two conversations specifically around how AI is either going to take over or not take over all of the expertise that people have as they're creating online experiences, programs, courses, memberships, whatever it is that you want to call it. So to just break down these two conversations, because if these are conversations that my clients are having on a regular basis, or the questions that they're asking themselves, you may be asking yourself this question as well. So the first conversation was with a client, and she said, well, you know, everyone can just create a course or a program using AI now. And so she's trying to create something that's a little bit different, that's a bigger experience, which I'm going to talk more about that in a minute. But I thought it was such an interesting comment because I truly believe that AI is not going to replace you as the expert. It's not going to replace your intellectual property or your expertise. It's just going to help elevate it. And I'm going to share with you why in just a minute. But I want to just also comment on the second conversation I had, which is that someone had watched a webinar or something where someone's like, oh, you can create your entire online course in 30 minutes using AI and get it all done and put it out there, and it's great. And again, same concept, a little bit of a different lens, but same concept. And so I want to talk about that today because, again, you may be thinking about, well, why would I bother creating something based on my expertise if somebody can just create it in using AI and get it done in a half hour? And here's the deal, is there's a difference between creating content and creating an experience that people can get the fastest path from their problem to the result that they're looking for. That is a completely different use case than how much content can you pump out and have it be something that people can consume. So a couple different things. One is we're in an attention economy, which means that it's harder and harder to get people's attention. People aren't going to just go out and consume a bunch of topics, a bunch of content. There's just enough of that information out there kind of in the world. So someone who is just like, I'm just going to put in a topic in AI and have it shoot out, like all of the parts and pieces, may create something as like an on-demand course or whatever else, but all that does is just lower the quality of everybody's programs, right? It's not actually going to serve anyone because even if it's solving somebody's problem, they're not creating an experience around that content or that information to make it something that's valuable for people. So the difference between just like, content that's pumped out from AI and content that's around your expertise is you're able to guide somebody through the fastest path from their challenge to the result, right? You're able to help them go over hurdles and obstacles and all of kind of the mindset challenges that they're having as they're creating, as they're going through the experience of solving that problem. That is a completely different use case. That is something that AI cannot do, right? Is to be the person who can guide them. As an expert, you know the ins and the outs. You know what people are, will have an easy time doing versus what they'll have a difficult time doing. And that is not something that can happen just by throwing a topic into AI. And so the shift that's happened in the industry because of AI is fabulous, because what it does is it makes experts like you and I actually elevate our expertise. All we have to do is make sure that we have our authority framework, our authority strategy set so that people know that we are the ones that can help them actually navigate through all of the pitfalls and hurdles and obstacles that they're going to have as they go through the learning journey to go from their problem to the result. And so often I'm working with people and they have something that's sort of knit together with a bunch of different topics or, informational pieces here and there and everywhere. And that's where the beauty of what's happening in the industry is so fabulous, because it's like, nobody wants more information. Nobody wants just a bunch of random topics knit together, which is what AI is really good at doing. They want an experience that helps them go from where they are today to where they want to go, and be able to have a personalized experience, to be able to have somebody guide them, to have the proven path that gets them where they want to go faster than them trying to go out and figure it out on their own or follow a bunch of topics hoping that they can get to a result. So when you create an experience around the path that goes from point A to point B, that is when you as the expert thrive in building an online business or building any kind of business where you're helping somebody get a result. It is a completely different type of experience than an on-demand AI-generated bunch of topics knit together. So what I want to make sure that you hear me say is it's not that on-demand courses or programs are bad, right? It's just, can you create an experience around them based on your expertise that guides somebody in the fastest way possible from point A to point B? You can create that as on demand, you can create that as a cohort style, you can create that however you want to create that and however you want to deliver it at scale while still creating a really valuable experience. And you can still use AI. You can use AI to help you articulate how to package it in a way that is succinct for other people to consume. And so you're using AI as a tool, not as a replacement for your brain and for your expertise. So I thought this was a valuable topic today because, again, I've heard it multiple times. Well, I don't need to worry about creating anything because AI is just going to take over and my expertise doesn't matter, or the way that I create something doesn't matter because everyone's just creating these random AI generated courses. And more power to those people. I'm going to tell you, they're not creating a scalable and sustainable business. They're just throwing a bunch of information at people. And that's not what people want. And so if they buy that thing, great, they're not going to stay because that person is not going to serve them, because all they're doing is basically just putting content, like free content that somebody can knit together out on YouTube or out on the Google, right? And putting it into their platform. And as far as I'm concerned, that just degrades their expertise. And so use AI as a tool, have it help you to articulate and frame and sort of simplify what's happening up in your brain, but don't discount your expertise and don't discount the fact that you have the ability to help somebody get to where they're going because you have a proven framework, you have a proven authority strategy that allows you to be able to help people better than anyone else can, even AI. So think about creating an experience, think about how you can leverage AI, but don't worry about the people who are going to create an entire, program or business or course or whatever it is just by throwing it into AI and then a half hour later they've got something built. Don't worry about those people. Those people are the ones that have customers who don't stay, who don't ascend, and they're not creating a sustainable business. They're just creating a bunch of random things that they're getting a one-time sale from. And so remember that as you go out and become the authority in your industry, that is what's driving people to you, and that is what's going to make you successful is by packaging your expertise in a way that creates an experience that gets somebody that result when they go from point A to point B. That's what they're showing up for. That's what they're going to stay for. And that's how you're going to build a scalable business. So hopefully this serves you. And when you hear those comments, just come back to this podcast and really just listen. Like, this is the purpose of AI. It's not just to create a bunch of crap, right? We've been in that place over and over and over again. It's happened with social media. It's happened with just general content on blogs and whatever else. And so don't make the mistake that what's happening inside of your business is going to be replaced by crappy, AI generated programs. So again, use it as a tool, not as a replacement, and don't worry about those people who are, because they are not going to build that sustainable business. All right, there you go. If you love this episode, please share it. Please give us a rating. And if you're watching on YouTube, hit that subscribe button. All right, until next time, enjoy your week.
Hey everybody, are you a business owner ready to streamline and scale your business? Imagine solving the biggest business challenges with clarity, a strategy, and a clear plan. Hey, I'm Bryan, and I want to invite you to take the first step towards transforming your business with a free 30-minute discovery call. This call is an opportunity to discuss your goals, identify key challenges, and learn how my mentorship program can help you achieve the success you're aiming for. In just a half hour, we'll explore how you can scale your business by enhancing your authority strategy, engagement strategy, and retention strategy. You'll get personalized advice and a clear path forward. Ready to take the first step? Click on the link below that's in the show notes to book your free discovery call now. I hope to talk to you soon.